Good morning, everyone. My name is Avtar Singh, and today we are going to discuss some basic concepts of geometry like point, line segment, ray, angle, and types of angles. So, let's start our concept of geometry, basic concept of geometry. The first one is our point. Now, what is point? We talk about point. Point is the exact location. Point is the exact location. Okay? Point is the exact location or a particular point. Now, how to denote a point? We denote a point by this form, in the form of dot. And we see here that the point has no size, no shape. Okay, it has no size, no shape, and we denote it by the capital letter like A, B, C. Okay, so point is the exact location, has no size, no shape, and we denote it by the capital letters. Okay, now second one is our line. Now what is line? Let us suppose that we have 2 points A and B, and we connect these points. Now if we extend these points from the both hands endlessly, we get a line. Both hands we get a line. We will get a line. Means line has no endpoints. It goes endlessly in a specific direction. So we get a line. Now how to represent a line? Now it has the points A and B. So we can represent this as AB and the sign of line segment on the above of AB. So in this way we extend we can denote a line. If we have a line and we have point CD, we denote this by in this form CD. Means the line is a line has no endpoints. It can go anywhere in any direction. Okay, so this is a line. Now third one is our line segment. Now what is line segment? We need to know what is line segment. Now line segment is a part of line. Line segment is a part of line and it has the endpoints from the both sides. It has the endpoints. So it make a line segment. Means which has the endpoints from the both side is called a line segment made from a line. Now how to denote this? We can denote this by the in the form this AB and the sign of line segment above. If we have a CD, we have a line segment CD, then we denote this by CD. If we have DE, we denote this by DE. So these are the line segments. Now next one is, fourth one is ray. Now what is ray? A ray has only one endpoint. From one end it is fixed. Let us this point is fixed, and the second side is it goes endlessly anywhere. Means one side is endless. It has only one endpoint and from one side it is endlessly in any direction. So this is called a ray. Okay, so this is called a ray. Now next one is angle. Very important concept. What is angle? The angle is when two lines, if we have two rays, let us suppose this is ray and this is second ray, and they share a common vertex, common endpoint. They have same endpoint. Then it is called an angle. Means if we have two rays and they meet at a common point, common endpoint, the gap between them is called angle. Now let us suppose that this is O, this is A, and this is B. So how to write angle? We can write angle. The sign of angle is this, and we can write where angle is formed at O. So we write this BOA, or we write this AOB. In this form, we can represent a line. Means when two rays are connected, they share a common endpoint. It's called an angle. Okay. So now we talk about types of angles. Types of angles. Now first one is our acute angle. Acute angle. Now what is acute angle? The angle greater than 0 degree. The angle greater than 0 degree and less than 90 degree means this type of angle. Greater than 0 degree or less than 90 degree. These are called acute angles. Greater than 0 degree, less than 90 degree. These angles are called acute angles. This is acute angle. This is acute angle. This is acute angle. So all these angles are acute angles. Okay. The second one is our right angle. Right angle. Now what is right angle? The angle which is equal to 90 degree. The angle whose measure is 90 degree is called the acute angle. Okay. This is called acute angle. Whose measure is 90 degree is called a acute angle. Now we can see both lines are perpendicular to each other. Then it makes angle 90 degree. So this is a right angle. Now third one is our obtuse angle. Obtuse angle. Now obtuse angle is the angle whose measure is greater than 90 degree. Greater than 90 degree or less than 180 degree is called a obtuse angle. Okay, the obtuse angle whose measure is greater than 90 degree and less than 180 degree, like this angle, greater than 90 degree. In this way, the rays connect with each other. This type of angle is called obtuse angle, whose measure is greater than 90 degree and less than 180 degree. And the measure of this angle is greater than 90 degree. So this is called obtuse angle. Means obtuse angle is greater than 90 degree, 180 degree. Like 95, 100 degree, 105 degree, 110 degree. These all are obtuse angles. Okay. Now fourth one is our straight angle. Straight angle. Okay. Straight angle. Now what is straight angle? The angle whose measure is 180 degree. Straight angle means we have a straight line, and the angle on a straight line is 180 degree, and this is called straight angle. The angle whose measure is 180 degree is called the straight angle. Okay. Next one is our reflex angle. Now what is reflex angle? The angle whose measure is greater than a straight angle and less than a complete angle, less than 360 degree. Means greater than 180 degree and less than 360 degree is called a reflex angle. Like in this way we make a reflex angle, like in this way, greater than 180 degree and less than 360 degree. This is a reflex angle. This is greater than 180 degree. Now this is 180 degree and this is more than 180 degree. So this is a reflex angle. And the last one is our complete angle. Complete angle. The angle formed in a circle. If we have a circle, we have to check the angle. This is called the complete angle. The angle made from here to the complete rotation of the watch. Okay, so this angle is 360 degree. The angle whose measure is 360 degree is called a complete angle. Okay, so we have studied about the basic concept of geometry in this video, like point, line segment, ray, angle and types of angle.